Respect is a very serious matter, and many men would rather die than be constantly disrespected. At the same time, most men don't know how to actually gain respect. In this video, we will discuss 6 ways to earn respect from anyone. Make sure you stick around until the end, because the last one might just be the most important. 1. Forced respect. Respect is often forced, and you don't have to beg or ask for it. A good example of this is Khabib, a foreign fighter who didn't speak much English but had undeniable fighting skills. He faced a lot of disrespectful and racist comments from fight fans, but he just kept defeating their favorite fighters. Slowly, the racist comments stopped, and eventually, he became an undefeated champion. Many of his haters turned into fans and pretended they never hated him in the first place. Khabib forced people to respect him by being so good and dominant that they couldn't help but respect him. Imagine a businessman who is always failing. A failure can't force other people to respect him. Now imagine the same man crushing all of his competitors and leading his team to the highest level. Everyone respects him now, even the competitors who have been beaten. They might not like him, but they are forced to respect him. If you want to gain respect, you must force it upon the world by being so undeniably good and dominant that they can't help but respect you. 2. Don't apologize just to avoid conflict. This does not mean you should never apologize if you do something wrong. It is important to acknowledge your mistakes and apologize for them. However, if you aren't sorry, don't say that you are. This is a more feminine approach and can show a lack of confidence and ineffectiveness. It can also give others permission to treat you poorly or even abuse you. The ability to be honest despite it going against your best interests shows confidence. It shows that you don't live in fear and that whatever the consequences of your honesty may be, you are ready for them. Not apologizing for what you believe in instantly demands respect. If you are the person who apologizes too much, I want you to know that you may think you are displaying yourself as a nice and caring person, but you are actually sending the message that you lack confidence and are ineffectual. 3. Take up space. Some people might call this toxic, but the truth is we are all born with the innate ability to take up space and the right to do so. When we take up space in the world, we occupy a physical and psychological territory. Our bodies fill the area and our presence is felt. Many people don't feel capable of taking up space. They may think they are not worthy of the space they take up, or that they need to minimize their presence. There may be several reasons for this. Perhaps they grew up in a home where they were frequently shut down. The point of taking up space is not to play a dominance game. It is to subcommunicate that you aren't afraid to be seen with your body and presence. Walk with your chest out and your shoulders back, and when you sit down, don't make yourself small to comfort others. Some people may believe that taking up space is selfish, but it can be a sign of healthy strength and self-assurance. For many men, it comes naturally, which is why they sit with their legs open. If you are a man who thinks it is selfish to take up space, you can go ahead and sit down with your legs so tight together that your manhood drops off. However, if you want to command respect, make yourself comfortable and take up space. 4. Don't try to please everyone. It's impossible to please everyone all the time, and trying to do so will only lead to disappointment and a lack of respect. Instead, focus on being authentic and true to yourself. This will earn you the respect of those who truly matter to you. It's important to have your own beliefs and values, and it's essential to stand up for them. This shows strength of character and conviction, which can earn the respect of others. 5. Be decisive. Indecisiveness can be a sign of weakness and lack of confidence, which can lead to a lack of respect. It's okay to take time to think things over, but make sure you are able to make a decision when it's necessary. 6. Stand up for what you believe in. It's important to have your own beliefs and values, and it's essential to stand up for them. This shows strength of character and conviction, which can earn the respect of others. Remember, respect is not something that is given easily. It must be earned through your actions and behaviors. By following these 6 tips, you can gain the respect you deserve from anyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.